Greetings all and welcome back to Just Plain Crypto. Today we're just going to take a quick look at the markets. We had a downturn overnight, but the markets are coming back pretty strong, pretty bullish all around. Bitcoin's, trading sideways. Ethereum taking a break, also kind of trading sideways. ADA, after a massive pump, is up by 1%. ADA's, let's see, it says here its all-time high of $2.46, rate currently at $2.19. So it's one of the closest ones, rushing back to its all-time high. But the news of the day is going to be Solana. Now, Solana is currently up 21% and still rising on the 24-hour period. Now, Solana, a lot of people out there are very bullish on Solana. I had moved funds into Solana myself after the push, so I am very, very happy with this project. Also, the more that I learn about it, the more I want to actually invest a bit more into it because, again, people who know me, I'm not a big fan of Ethereum, but it does make a lot of money. There is a lot of return on Ethereum. I'm just not a fan of how the project is set up and how centralized it is. Solana is an alternative to Ethereum, which can do all the things that Ethereum does, but more of a decentralized network, not nearly as widespread as Ethereum and not used as much as Ethereum, but the capabilities are there, and it is actually much faster than Ethereum as far as transactions per second. It uses, what sets Solana apart is it uses a proof of history as well as proof of stake, and even though I'm not a fan of proof of stake, it is better, I believe, than what Ethereum has got going. Also with the market cap. Market cap on this is around a billion coins, I believe, which is like, we're pushing up to that level where I wouldn't want to be interested in it. But it's significantly less than Cardano, which is sort of in a similar boat than Solana, where Cardano is not even fired up yet with smart contracts. They've just been announced that they are coming in September. Massive push on the price, but again, ADA's got 40 or 45 billion ADA out there, ADA coins, where Solana has 1 billion and only, I believe, 400 and something million are actually in circulation. So there is that, hence the price discrepancy, right? One of the biggest reasons that you're not going to see like a $50 Cardano is because they have so many coins out there. Well, Solana with so many fewer is right around $50. Now, I picked it up when it was around 40, like a couple of weeks ago, and it has just been nonstop. So this may be one for people out there who want to get into crypto and they want something that's good and solid, good investment, but don't have a whole bunch of money to put into Ethereum or a whole bunch of money to put into Bitcoin or any sort of a decentralized finance projects. The ones that are out there right now, you have Solana and you have ADA. Some good alternate coins to be invested in as long-term holds. Right now with Solana, you may want to wait for a pullback because it just pumped by 21%. And I think yesterday or the day before that, I think it was Friday, it also pumped by like 12%. So it's on a run. You have that whole fear of missing out thing, but you want to try and catch it on a dip. So that's what's going on there. If we pull it up on coin market cap, and we see what's the history of Solana, and it's really the case and study where the metrics of it look fantastic. There's not really huge spikes going up and down. The investorship is like really rock solid. The tops and the bottoms are solid. It's kind of just the standard uptrend. And it's not until this weekend where we have this huge bullish spike. And I don't know if a major investor has come in. There really isn't any news as far as what exactly is going on. But other than this last couple of days, the chart looks good. Very, very good growth, not sporadic. What is Solana? A highly functional open source project that banks on blockchain's technology, permissionless nature to provide decentralized finance solutions, which I'm all big into for DeFi. While the idea of initial work of the project began in 2017, it was officially launched in 2020. So just a year. Solana Protocol is designed to facilitate decentralized app creation. It aims to improve scalability in introducing a proof of history consensus combined with underlying proof of stake, and that's what kind of sets them apart. I'm not familiar with anything big that is currently running on Solana, but a lot of people like it, and it's an investment for you guys to keep your eyes on. So that is going to be the news for the markets and a brief cap up for Sunday. With that, we're going to be out of here.